Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, fog lights, mirror memory, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power steering, bucket seats, power driver seat. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.